Hi, it's Christine here, and today we're going to learn how to draw without actually looking at our paper. And this idea comes from this artist is called Carla Sonning. I admire her work so much. And okay, let's start. I'm going to draw a porcupine. It is a small items here, and another one is a squirrel. And the idea of this exercise is to train our hand and to draw by looking at the object but not looking on our paper. And yeah, the idea is to gain our confidence in drawing. So let's start it. This is the object that I choose, which is porcupine and squirrel. And then now I start to draw with my permanent marker. The first object that I'm going to draw is the porcupine. And look at this. I'm drawing on my paper without really looking on my paper, just looking at the object. And yeah, don't worry to make too much mistake. The shape might be funny, and well, yeah, we can laugh about it later, but yeah, don't worry too much on making any mistake. Just continue your drawing, be confident, don't worry too much about the position. And then now I'm going to start drawing my squirrel. So this is the eyes of the squirrel, and then looking at the ears, and then continue with the body and the tail. Again, don't worry too much, because sometimes mistakes is what makes it interesting, make it artistic in a way. So yeah, let's just have some fun and train our eyes. And there it goes. And then now I'm going to trace it. Now we can start looking on our paper and then add some details. This one, yeah, I'm tracing all and try to connect the dots, to connect all the lines together. And then after this, I'm going to start drawing the landscape for the porcupine and the squirrels. And there goes my flowers, my garden. And yeah, I'm going to draw more flowers over here. And yeah, a little bit of dandelion. So yeah, this one is just to add more scenery to our drawing, just to connect the dots and to make it to make the painting looks more interesting. And yeah, I guess that's it. And then yeah, we start to color it, we start to paint it, and I'm going to use watercolor and drawing ink for my painting here.